Welcome to Ballot Bites. Today's topic covers how to build a ballot in a Snap. The dashboard will display a list of your elections. To create a new election, click Create New Ballot and type in the name of your election. Choose your time zone and set the open and close dates. You'll upload your logo. Next, you'll add your home page URL or the page to redirect voters when they exit the election website. There's also an option to select a complimentary voter satisfaction survey. You'll also see an option to view preliminary results. This setting cannot be changed once voting begins, and there are some helpful tips shown here to guide you. Then click Save. Now you're all set to add your voters. You can do this either by upload or one by one. Simply click Upload Voters and find the file of your database. You'll confirm which fields and columns you'd like to include. If your data contains columns you don't need, you can choose to ignore that column and it will exclude that data. If everything looks good, continue to column configuration. If your data includes member ID, this must be unique for each individual voter. Ensure your columns are mapped correctly. We've got member ID, first name, last name. Region in this data set may be used as a filter later, so we're going to go ahead and map this to group or type. If everything looks good, save column mappings and create voters. The upload summary will show an overview of your data. If there are any issues with your email addresses, a warning will pop up. To correct errors, simply click the Voters page and Show Issues. Select the voter with an issue and edit and update. You can also update any of the data fields by clicking Edit by Voter Details. Make any edits and save. If you realize a member may have been missed, you can easily create voters one at a time. Create new voter, add their information, and then create. Now that all the voters are set, let's move on to the ballot. The first thing you want to do is add a ballot item. Fill in the title, set your minimum and maximum votes. If there's rotation on the ballot, you can select that here, and this will rotate items on your ballot. If you have any additional information or instructions, you can add that here and then save. Now you're ready to add your candidates. For this one, we'll also add a write-in. Once candidates are entered, you can add their biographies and their photos. Just click the candidate, create biography, choose a file and add your content, and be sure to save. You can edit anytime before the election opens. Select the candidate, choose their biography. You can make any changes here, and always be sure to save. If you have other ballot items or offices, select Ballot Item, add the name. Let's say this one's a bylaw vote. You'll add the text or any instructions here in the additional information box and save. SnapBallot will warn you to be sure to add the choices for the voter. You can preview the ballot to see how it will appear to the voter. The next step is to set your emails. All SnapBallot plans include one invitation email sent to voters at election open, one confirmation email sent to voters after they submit their ballot, as well as up to 2 reminders. Each email can be customized with your details to personalize your message, and we'll handle the rest, the secure links, login details, and delivery. You'll have sender name. The reply to email, you can select an admin's email or the no reply. You can customize your subject and your message here. The standard message section is automatic and cannot be customized. This email includes a secure ballot link unique to each voter. After the voter submits their ballot, the ballot link is deactivated to prevent double voting. A helpful video walks through the process. Reminder emails are sent after voting opens and only go to voters who have not yet voted. You can set up those email reminders here. They're a great way to encourage participation, and you can create multiple emails with custom messages. If more than 2 are used, they will be charged depending on your plan. And there's a nice reminder here that shows that for you. Finally, payment and scheduling. This is based on the number of voters. You can see here I need to make a payment because I'm over the 15 voter limit for the free plan. It will default based on your number of voters, but you can select the plan that you prefer. Proceed to service level, selection, and payment. If you wanted to add additional reminder emails, you can do that at any time. Then click Proceed to Payment. Fill in your credit card details. As soon as payment is complete, you'll get a confirmation that it was successful. Now you can go back to configuring your ballot or sending invitations. If you're all set and ready to go, all you need to do is confirm. Simply click Confirm Schedule. You will now see the ballot status, completed items, time zone, and open and close dates. Your election is now ready to go. Thanks for watching.